Does the Angelico floor plan have the best kitchen that Highland offers? Let's find out. Today, we're walking you through the Angelico floor plan that Highland Homes is building in Heritage Ranch in Sherman, Texas. I'm Amanda Phillips, a local realtor, and your connection to new construction in the Sherman area. Today, we're walking you through the Angelico floor plan, which goes on a 40-foot lot that Highland Homes is selling in Heritage Ranch. We'll tell you more about the neighborhood soon, but I wanted to show you the main area of this home. And I have the question, is this the best kitchen that Highland offers? I've shown this floor plan to several people and they always come around this corner and go, oh, I love the kitchen. So let me know what you think. Open concept high ceilings make this home feel massive. At just over 2,400 square feet, there are 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and then this lovely open flex living dining area. Plenty of room for a 6-top table, and then the kitchen has the island in it. So you are almost doubling your storage space with this island. Highland offers so many options for you to customize your home to make it feel like your house, exactly what you want it to feel like. You can see here they have the wood colored bottom cabinets, the white uppers, the glass front is an option as well. You get to pick your countertops, you pick your appliances. You can see here this one has a gas cooktop. The neighborhood Heritage Ranch does have gas, so you can have a gas cooktop, you can have a gas fireplace, you also have a gas tankless hot water heater, and your central heat can be gas if you choose, or you can go all electric. That's something that Highland likes to let you choose because it is your home and this is almost a custom home. Farm sink option under the window. That is something that the people I've walked through this home have always commented. I love the sink under the window. They're not wrong. When you're rinsing dishes, you definitely want to have a good view. And this home looks out into the rest of fabulous Heritage Ranch, which I will tell you more about the neighborhood coming up. It's got some great amenities. The farm sink is an option. If you don't like farm sinks, they have several other options of sinks. When you choose to build with Highland, you get to go to their design center and you pick out everything that goes in your home, from your countertops to your cabinet color to what sink you want, to all of your fixtures, your light fixtures, your doorknobs. You get to make it your very own. This home starts at around $427,000 and then goes up from there, just depending on what you pick to go in for your customization. Tile backsplash. This one goes all the way up to the ceiling, if you can see that. I like that option, and it's such a fun design element that Highland offers. This buffet is so much extra storage for you. I like that they carried through the white tops and the wood colored bottoms. That is an upgrade as well. If you do not choose that, then that is just a pop-up area, but plenty of space if you had your own buffet that you wanted to put there, a sofa table. It's great square footage for extra storage. Looking at the floor, I wish that you could touch this video. That is wood, and I have verified it because it is phenomenal flooring. I want to say it doesn't scratch. It probably would scratch if you drug something super heavy across it, but y'all, that is amazing flooring, and you get to pick the color of it, or you can do carpet. If you prefer carpet in your living area, you can do that as well. Transom windows across the top allow so much natural light into this home. It's already large at over 2,400 square feet. It feels even bigger when you start to bring more and more light in. Tons of windows all the way across the side of the home and across the back to light it up. You choose your wall color as well. So if you don't like this lighter color, you could go a little darker. You can also put a fireplace in this floor plan if you want to add that also. Primary suite is at the back of the home, which is always a favorite of mine, so you don't have to hear any sort of road noise, daily activity noise. This feels so cozy and like spa retreat-ish. Love the raised ceiling. That shiplap finish is an upgrade that you can add. If you like the entire vibe of this room, they can recreate it for you. They have a blind package that starts with your 2-inch blinds and goes all the way up to these plantation shutters that you can put in the home on every single window. Wood floors carry through to here, but you can do carpet as well. I like that they have the larger trim package, and there's even a larger one as well. So you have a choice of size of trim. And then primary bath. I love that Highland shows you the tile options. Tile can be boring, but Highland shows you that it can be super fun as well. From the floor to your tub surround, to your shower surround, to your kitchen. So many tile options. So if you are eclectic, if you are neutral, they have something for everyone. LED lighting throughout with these recessed lights. I like that it just kind of makes it a little more simple in the bathroom. You have a water closet there. Turn back and we'll walk you through the master closet. Spacious, but not a wasted space, if that makes sense. So I like the various hang heights. You could get a second level of bars in here and almost double your size of the closet if you needed that. But this is a big closet. And then back into the bathroom. So you can, like I say, you can see that super cute shower surround that they chose for this shower. While we're walking back through, let me tell you about the neighborhood a little bit. Heritage Ranch is one of Sherman's newest neighborhoods, and Highland Homes and other builders have just started building homes, so they are making some great deals. Highland always has incentives, so if you would like to know what their current incentives are, please message us below. They do offer a 1-3-10 warranty. That's 1 year bumper to bumper, 3-year maintenance and appliances, and then a 10-year foundation warranty. The sales representative can tell you more about that, and I love to connect my buyers with Highland sales representatives because I don't even like to call them sales representatives. It is a concierge experience from the minute that you meet with Highland reps. You are going to sit down. You are going to be walked through the entire process. Everything will be scheduled. You will be kept up to date on every single step of your new build. You get to come back and walk through on different phases. Like I say, you will go to the design center and pick everything that's going to go in your home. From start to finish, they like to tell you 7 months. Sometimes it rains and it takes a little longer or things get backed up. But to be able to have a brand new home in less than 12 months, exactly how you want it, it's just like building a custom home, but without that price tag. Looking back through this large open living area, you can see the upstairs. That is another thing that everyone has commented on. I love the look down. I love that it's open to that upstairs. Upstairs are 3 more bedrooms. That's not right. Let's walk back through towards the front so we can see the other bedrooms and bathrooms. Don't miss this little turnout under the stairs. I love the mud nook, but also through here is your second bedroom and second bathroom. This is where your daily guests would go, plus your laundry. I like laundry downstairs. Your primary bedroom's downstairs. Everybody else can take their laundry upstairs. Another amazing tile option. You can do a tub shower combination in this bathroom if you need to, or you can do this large walk-in shower. Tile all the way up to the ceiling. I don't know why that makes such a difference for me, but that just looks richer And I really like this color. But if you are more of a, I like white, they can do white and they can go all the way to the ceiling if you want. All of Highland's bedrooms are so spacious. You wouldn't need any more square footage in these. And I love that they show you that there's plenty of room with their staging. This is a full-size bed, side tables, and a dresser in this room. Every bedroom has a large window, so you get the natural light effect, and a spacious closet as well. High ceilings throughout this home make it feel even larger. On a 2-story, sometimes the first floor will only have 8 to 9 foot ceilings, and you think, oh, well, it feels shorter. They carry that through on this. The high ceilings are in the downstairs area as well as the upstairs area. So again, at 2,400, a little over 2,400 square feet, it feels even bigger than that. Another great thing, Highland has some awesome front door options. You get to pick your front door. That one we just saw is a choice, all the way up to a solid wood door, whatever you want. But again, you get to pick it. Let's go upstairs and take a look at what's offered in this Angelico floor plan. So you had the living room downstairs. This one upstairs is almost the exact same size. So you have 2 large living rooms in this home. Ceiling fan is an option as well. You could do this as a game area if you didn't want to have sound from up here. You could do this as a homeschool area. It's just a really good flex option if you need more rooms. Options. That's a good word for Highland. Options. And then this view down into the living room, I could sit up here and look down here all day long. Can you just imagine living here, hollering down, it's time for dinner. It's an easy here. I would look down and be like, oh, look at my house. I just love it here. It feels so much bigger than 2,400 square feet. And you think, oh, well, this living room is probably all that's up here. Oh, no, there's so much more to offer up here, including this office, which is spacious. I think that's a word I've said a lot in this tour, because you get so much in a what looks like not a huge package. So you have this room. It has the double doors on it. It could be an office the way that they have it set up. It could also be a media room. It can be a toy room. It can be somewhere that you put 3 bunk beds if you want to, but such a great space. And then you have your hall bath here with your double sinks. You can barely see the tile, but do you see it? Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Another awesome tile option. And I like that the toilet and the tub shower combo are behind a second door, so that if you truly do have 2 or more people using this bathroom, you can brush teeth in one and shut the door and take a shower behind that door. Makes it more of a useful bathroom. And then you have 2 bedrooms back here. Both of them are similar in size. Again, the higher ceilings, everyone gets a window, walk-in style closets. Highland offers their warranties. You get to meet with their sales representatives. I just cannot say enough about this company, constantly offering incentives. Within Heritage Ranch, because it is new, they are really offering incentives to get things going. What's going to be offered in this neighborhood is well worth the cost of the amenities. There will be a swimming pool in Heritage Ranch that every homeowner will have access to. There will also be pickleball courts in Heritage Ranch, which is a growing phenomenon for entertainment. There will be plenty of green space in this neighborhood. So if you want to walk around, have a picnic, host a birthday party, so many options. There will be a playground, and there will also be walking paths all around throughout Heritage Ranch. They just broke ground on the new elementary school that's going to be built here at Heritage Ranch. It will be part of the Sherman ISD school district. And then for future plans, there is retail and restaurant land that they're currently seeking business opportunities to develop. So Heritage Ranch will be an entire lifestyle. You'll come home, you'll be able to have your coffee, you'll be able to go to dinner, your kids would go to school within the neighborhood. And it's so centrally located on just off of Highway 82 and Highway 75. So if you are a commuter, either south into the Metroplex or north to Oklahoma to one of the casinos, Heritage Ranch is a perfect location to live. And then if you need to commute for work. But if you're going to live in Sherman, it is a supreme location. You are less than a 2-minute drive from town center. You are less than a 5-minute drive to downtown Sherman. So you can get anywhere you need to go in Sherman in less than 7 minutes from Heritage Ranch. It's such a great location. Again, this floor plan situates on a 40-foot lot. They also have 50-foot lot options with different floor plans. That is on another video. If you don't like this floor plan, there are also other floor plans offered on the 40-foot lot options. That's where we connect you with the sales representatives to figure out exactly what you're looking for and what works best for you and your people. Covered patio on the back. I can just see hosting dinner inside in that great open space and then having the evening out here on this patio. Every home comes with sod, sprinklers, a little bit of landscaping, and a privacy fence. So this gives you an idea of the 40-foot lot. I think it's a great backyard. I would love to connect you with Highland Homes sales representatives. Let's find out if Sherman's the place for you to move.